Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the 7-Minute Workout app. The 7-Minute Workout app, does it really work? It's a popular fitness tool designed for busy individuals seeking quick and effective workouts. Based on high-intensity interval training, HIIT, it features 12 bodyweight exercises performed in just 7 minutes, ideal for home or on-the-go fitness. This app caters to beginners and intermediate users aiming to kickstart or maintain their fitness routine without gym equipment. Targeting various muscle groups like core, legs, and arms, it provides a solid cardio boost as well. The interface is user-friendly with visual and audio cues guiding you through each exercise, eliminating the need to memorize sequences or perfect form. A standout feature is the integrated timer and progress tracker, keeping users motivated and charting their fitness journey. But does the 7-Minute Workout app live up to its reputation? If you're seeking an intense workout to revolutionize your fitness level, this might not be the ideal solution. While effective for maintaining general health, especially for those with limited time, it won't drastically increase muscle mass or significantly enhance endurance. It's best suited for individuals starting their fitness journey or those seeking a quick, no-frills routine to stay active. One potential drawback is the limited exercise variety, which could become repetitive and affect motivation over time. The free version offers basic functionality, while premium unlocks custom workouts and advanced features like personalized training plans. However, with consistent use, the 7-Minute Workout app can foster a daily exercise habit, particularly when combined with a balanced diet and other physical activities. In conclusion, the 7-Minute Workout app provides a valuable entry point for beginners or those needing to fit in some movement during a busy day. While it's not a complete, long-term fitness solution, it offers a convenient and accessible way to incorporate exercise into your daily life. Think of it as a stepping stone, not the entire staircase, on your path to better fitness. Remember, consistency is key, and this app can help establish that essential daily habit.